Alright guys, we're in the Plymouth, as you can see right there. And I'm gonna start it up for y'all. I want y'all to listen to what it sounds like. Everybody will let you hear how this car sounds and everything you need to know right about it. Like you can just hear, we just let you hear this puppy roar. Like there's no tomorrow. I want y'all to hear it. And right now, I'm gonna put the key in and we'll do everything we need to. Alright, huh? Listen to that roar, do y'all hear? It's about right through here. And you got it running. Even though it's a 1966, it's still running like there's no tomorrow. Joking here. Listen to it roar, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed this. Guys, if you do, make sure you give me a follow and all. And I'll see y'all in the next one, guys. See you. Peace on out.